Hey, what's going on, my friend? Garrett here. Inside this video, what I want to do is reveal to you what I truly believe to be the best affiliate marketing system in 2020. Now, I've been online for 5 years now. I've invested my hard-earned money into many opportunities. I've seen many programs, many things claiming to be a proven system that will finally make average people brand new, people that have struggled in the past, finally allow them to make money passively with affiliate marketing. And almost everything that I've seen over the years still required you to do, quite a bit of work, or you had to create the content or videos, etc. What I'm going to reveal to you inside this video is a system that has truly changed the game, and it allows you to finally set this system up, and it will do 99% of the work for you, okay? So what I want to do real quick is share with you some of the criteria that I personally believe on what makes a good affiliate system. So as you watch this video, you can realize what criteria, like what am I basing my opinion on, and then I'm going to share with you the system and then how you can set up the system completely for free, okay? So what, in my opinion, after 5 long years online, what do I think makes for a good affiliate system? Number one, it has tools in place for you. Okay, now what I mean by that is it has a capture page created for you. It will have a high converting sales video or sales message, and then it will have follow-up emails. A lot of these systems that claim to be done for you, you still have to create the capture page. If you don't know what a capture page is, this is where you will send the traffic or visitors when you go to promote online. When you go to promote or recommend a product, you need to send those people to something. And you want to send them to a page that captures that person's email. The reason being is most people will not buy on the spot. They have to research, they have to get followed up with. So you want to send people to a capture page. Now, most of these systems, again, they either give you outdated capture pages that don't convert, or you have to create it yourself. Well, the system I'm about to reveal to you has the capture page created for you, and it's very high converting. The next thing is the sales video in the system actually high converting on its own? Meaning, does the sales video compel people to buy, convince them to pull out their credit card and make a purchase? A lot of these systems or businesses or opportunities online, maybe you've joined one in the past, the sales video is very outdated. It looks like a company presentation. It's boring. It doesn't compel people to buy. Well, if you're sending visitors to that, maybe you're buying traffic, you're paying for advertisements, and you're sending people to a outdated, not converting sales video, you're going to struggle. You're going to continue to chase your tail, and you're going to wake up frustrated time and time again because you're not making the money you truly want. The system I'm going to reveal to you in a second has a video that will do all the telling and selling for you, and it's incredibly high converting. It's very compelling, and it does a great job of getting people to buy. And last but not least, a good affiliate system with tools is going to have follow-up emails. Again, most people don't buy on the spot. You need a system that's going to have these emails that once you send someone to a capture page, the system will go out and start following up with people for you. You don't have to write the emails. You don't have to come up with the sales copy. And this system does that for you. Number two in my criteria is it has high-paying products. Now, I wrote $500 or more per commission. This is called high-ticket affiliate marketing. If you have an income goal of, let's say, $10,000 a month, and you're only making $25 per commission, you're going to need an enormous amount, about 400 sales per month to hit $10,000 a month. But if you promote a product that, or a system that has products that, you can make $1,000 per commission, you only need 10 sales a month to hit a $10,000 per month income goal. And it's not any harder to make a higher price product sale than it is a lower price. It just comes down to targeting people that have that money. Now, number three in criteria is it has good step-by-step training. A good system, in my opinion, needs to have good step-by-step training that teaches, newbies how to start getting visitors to that capture page, to that affiliate link. Because at the end of the day, even if everything else is done for you, all the back end stuff, the follow-up, if you don't know how to get consistent visitors, maybe you've tried to promote online and you've struggled to generate leads or visitors to your affiliate link. If a system does not have good step-by-step, up-to-date training, again, you're going to struggle. This system will really allow you to make good sales with the training that's inside. And last but not least, the system needs to have average newbies that are making money. They need to have a lot of testimonials that people are seeing results. And I'm going to share right now some of the results that people have been using with the system. And then I'm going to share how you can set up the system for free, as well as start getting visitors to your affiliate link so you can start waking up to these commissions. But before I continue, I want to share that there's going to be a link at the description or under a button under this video. You can click at any time to start to set up your system, follow along with me, and really set yourself up to make as much money as fast as possible. Okay, now I'm inside the Facebook group of this system, and if you haven't seen any of my latest videos where I refer and share information on this system, the system is called the Profits Passport System. Now this system is relatively new and it's still creating a firestorm inside of the industry. And what I want to do just very quickly is just share with you that people are getting incredible results. So again, it hits that last criteria point on why this system is my #1 recommended one. Okay, you can see this guy here, boom, $2,000 before bed, and then woke up to $1,000. I literally made 3,012 hours doing absolutely nothing. Okay, so again, this system does all the work for you. You're just gonna have to send people to your system, which again, I'll share with you. The training inside shares how to do that, and then I'll share a bonus tip towards the end on how you can do it as well. Okay, this person right here, the system generated $499 in automated commissions. Okay, this person right here, $298 made. Right here, okay, 39 euros, I believe. Okay, this person here made $25. This person here, $100. Okay, so these people, $2,000. Right, so it's over and over again. I can scroll and scroll, but what I want to do right now is break down how you can set up this system and start to create results like all these other people. Okay, now there's going to be a link directly below, and when you go to that link, what it will ultimately take you to is this page. Now this page has a video here. Now it's an hour-long webinar, and I highly recommend you watch that webinar. David, the creator of this system, is going to break down how to set up all the multiple income streams inside of the system, how to position yourself properly, and then he's going to share with you a powerful method that I will actually touch on in this video on how to start getting endless visitors to your affiliate link, okay? But what you want to do is basically create an account, okay? This is a free account inside of the system. You put your first name, your last name, and your email. Now, once you click this button, it's going to take you to this page. Now, this is the same webinar on this page right here. And again, you can watch this webinar. Highly recommend you do. But I want to give you an overview breakdown of how this actually works. So there's 6 different income streams inside of the Profits Passport system. And what you want to do is go through each one and sign up and create an account. Okay, all the different income streams are different tools and resources that you would need to build a business, tracking software, a paid advertising source. All these income streams are very, very valuable. And you want to create accounts because what's going to happen when you start sending people to your affiliate link, which you'll access right here, okay, which I'll actually go to. I want you to see that is a capture page. Okay, so like I said, you get a high converting capture page. This capture page is doing incredibly well when it comes to getting people to put their email in. You get access to that capture page, okay, when you actually set up an account inside of the system. Now, all you're going to do is set up your income streams. Now, the very first one, which I love, pays you 100% commissions up to $2,000. Okay, so what you would do is go to sign up, create an account, and you'll get taken to this page here. Okay, now this is actually where people would sign up under me, but essentially you'll get your own link, okay, where people will start signing up through you. When you hook up your affiliate ID inside these different boxes after you create an account, when you send someone to this page, okay, or this this page, okay, when you send someone to this capture page and they go here and create an account, and then they go through this process, when they create an account here, you're going to get coded for that commission, okay? The system's going to know that you actually recommended them and you're going to get paid. Now, this very first income stream is called Easy One-Up, okay? Now, Easy One-Up is really going to be one of the biggest money makers you have inside of this system. This business, okay, easy one up is a digital franchise business. So what's going to happen is when you actually join at a certain level, and there's a $25 level and a $100 level, all the way up to a $2,000 level. Okay, now all of them are one-time investments. Now, when you invest into this specific digital franchise, the first income stream in the Profits Passport system, you not only get access to the training videos at the level you join at, okay, but you also get the affiliate rights to go ahead and promote this as if it's your own training. So you get the rights in this digital franchise to make 100% instantly paid commissions. Now, again, what I personally recommend as a bonus tip is you go all in. You get started at the $2,000 level. The $2,000 level is by far the most popular level. The most people who watch my videos, who see the buzz on this powerful system, will actually go all in at the $2,000 level, because what happens is when you get in at the $2,000 level, not only do you unlock the training at this level, okay, not only do you unlock the ability to earn $2,000 commissions, but you also unlock all the training under that level, okay? Now, I do want to answer a question that people are asking me, people that were very interested, people that were deciding to join this incredibly powerful affiliate marketing system, especially with the first income stream. Can they actually join at a lower level? Maybe they don't have $2,000 sitting around. Maybe they don't want to charge a credit card. You can get started at any other level and then upgrade later. But again, I highly recommend you stretch yourself, and maybe you just have $250 right now. Join at the $250 level, because again, you're going to be able to position yourself to earn those commissions. So when people go through the system, okay, and they create an account under you, and let's say they join at the $500 level, you want to get credit for that commission. So you want to be at the highest level you can be, okay? Now, what I want to share with you again is that you want to go through each income stream and create an account, okay? Now, the second income stream, for example, will pay you up to $998.50 per commission. So these are multiple income streams. That's a criteria I didn't mention because it's not a make or break for me when I look for an affiliate system to join, but this is definitely a bonus point when it comes to me joining a system, is if they have multiple income streams. Okay, they have income stream number 3, number 4, etc. Now, what I want to do towards the end of this video, like I promised, is share with you really how to start getting visitors to your link, because again, this is the link you want to send people to. Now, how do you actually start getting visitors to this link? Because the more targeted clicks you can get to this link, the more sales you're going to make. These people that are making sales are sending quality people, okay, to their link. Now, how do you do that? Well, one of the best ways is called Udemy.com. Udimi.com. Now, this is actually one of the income streams, okay? So if you go ahead to income stream number 4 and you create an account, you're actually creating an account inside of Udemy. Now, Udemy is basically a solo ad platform. It's a paid advertising method called solo ads. And basically, if you don't know what a solo ad is, it's where you can pay someone who has a list of email addresses in a certain niche. Okay, make money online is the niche that we're going to be interested in with this business. You can pay someone with a lot of email addresses to send out an email to those people with any link inside of that email you want. And so what we're going to do is we're going to actually use Udemy to purchase a solo ad to send visitors to our affiliate link, to our capture page link inside of this system. Okay, because then the system will do all the following up, all the telling, all the selling for you. The follow-up emails are built into the system, etc. Okay, now how does Udemy work? Well, again, when you watch this webinar, David's going to actually break down how to find good sellers to buy from and all that stuff. But I just wanted to touch on this in this video because it's very simple. You can filter by people that are, getting other people's sales. When they send out an email, people are reporting that their email got that person's sales. So that's a good person to buy from. You can open up people, okay, and you can look at reviews, right? This person had 326 positive reviews. You can put in an email that you want the person to send, okay, and you put your link right here, okay? This is, would be your Profits Passport link, Okay, now you may be wondering, I don't know how to create an email. Well, if you go down to your back office inside of Profit's Passport, at the very bottom, you have email copy that you can actually copy and paste into Udemy. Okay, and then you can just add to cart. You can adjust how many visitors you want, and that's going to dictate the price. Okay, down here, you can see it increasing, right? So this is one powerful way that you can start driving visitors. But maybe you don't have a lot of extra money. Maybe you come in at the $1,000 level, the $2,000 level, which is the most popular level, and you don't have a lot of extra money to run paid advertising. Another method I want to share with you that a lot of my students have been dominating with is Facebook. Okay, you may not realize that you can literally promote affiliate products just on your Facebook profile for free. Now, to confront an objection some people have, Garrett, I have family and friends on my Facebook profile. They may not be interested in this. Now, most people want to make more money online, so most of your friends probably actually would be interested. But let's say you wanted to keep business and personal life separate. You can simply just create a new Facebook profile, okay? So don't let that stop you. Now, what you want to realize is you can actually start adding people, okay? And I'll share a very simple method. Go to Make Money Online, okay? Type that into the top. Go to Groups, okay? And you can just join these groups and start adding people as friends. These people in these groups are interested in making money online, okay? So you can actually literally just go down here and add, okay? So I can, just add these people, okay? And they will start becoming your friend on your profile. So now we're building a list of prospects that you can start promoting this system to. And then all you want to do is just start promoting on your page. Now, what's the strategy? Well, basically, people buy from people they know, like, and trust. I had a person that I talked to recently that was a part of this system, and they wanted to start doing Facebook marketing on their profile. And I said, listen, Facebook works incredibly well because they can see you're a real person. And what you want to do is share a little bit of your story. Facts tell, stories sell. You want to share a little bit about your story and why you actually decided to join the system that you're promoting. Okay, now you want to leave a little mystery. Okay, so you want to leave out what you are actually affiliated with in most cases. Most cases, you don't want to reveal the system. You want to let people message you for more information, and then you can send them to your link. Okay. Now, I have a video that I actually did recently on how to start doing Facebook marketing. I may pop a card on that you can watch after this video so you can see my exact strategy on how to actually start getting friends and engagement and sales. But again, I wanted to highlight that you can use your Facebook profile. So don't let, oh, I don't have money for paid advertising. You can really use this system to create the results you want. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video on my #1 recommended affiliate system in 2020. If you have any questions and you're watching this on YouTube, comment below. I'll be sure to get back to you as soon as possible. And also go to the link or button under this video, set up your system, watch this webinar. Okay, David's going to reveal how you can actually get up to $3,500 worth of free bonuses when you actually join the system, which is absolutely incredible. Get started, my friends. Start to promote, upgrade as high as you can, and let the commissions and the system start to do the work and come in for you, okay? So thanks so much for watching. I will see you over on the other page.